How is life, traders? Well, you might tell me life could be better if we could take better trades, and you are absolutely right. Okay, guys, still discussing about how to take this slingshot on the way up. Impulse correction, impulse, impulse correction, impulse. But the last time I did say that I wouldn't take a trade if it is too far extended from the 21 EMA unless I see a beautiful pattern like this rising tree. All right, let's move on with the chart. And there are also some other type of patterns. For example, a pin bar here, guys. You would take halfway, maybe slightly higher for an entry, or a pin bar. Problem with pin bar is when the price is too extended, you might have not so nice risk reward. Candle down, strong candle down, strong candle down. Okay, can we forget about the idea now to take the slingshot on the way up? What we should focus on. We just keep on playing the chart, which obviously if you were on the real chart and you see this move, just this is one day, go back and look at other chart. Don't worry about things. Now we see this could be a possibly falling tree. Shall I go on a smaller time frame? Not really, guys, because I want to see something else. I mean, meanwhile, I could take a FIBO and I could do that and say, look, retrace to the 23.6, not even 38.2. All right, we do that, and let's try to see what's next candle close, which is there. Have we lost all hopes? Not really. That's really the good thing I'm looking for, right? So remember the structure on the daily. Let me go on the 4 hours, and what do we see here? We see a box with a perfect shakeout outside of this rectangle. Don't worry about being super precise about the box. This is the way you could draw it. And now I want to show you guys one thing, yeah, about the possible scenario that we could get. Here we are. So for those who have known me for some time, you know, guys, I liked my little drawing here. Remember, this was the daily. Okay, one candle missing was a nice strong move down and the possible falling tree. On the 4 hours, we see a drop, base, drop. What do we look for here, guys? What do we look for? Would you chase a trade? Not even thinking about it. We look for a retrace up, of course. Could he do this type of scenario and then price goes back down? Question mark, big question mark. Okay, we just have to be ready. We have to say, look, if the price does that, we do that. If the price does that, maybe it shows us a pin bar or some other type of scenario, then we could act in a different way. We have to be ready. I know that there is some other candle formation going on there, lots of variation. We just have to know what we would do when the price retraces. That's all it is about. We have to be ready. And coming back on the chart now, okay, I would say the middle box normally works better for me because I've had some quite few years of experience, and I would say if I put it here, then probably the move is too strong now, guys. Okay, so I would say sort of middle box, middle way like that, stop loss protected by this structure high. And guys, right, let's do one thing. You remember for the take profits, right? Strong move down and then retrace. What you do, you put the FIBO from here to here, and then I always consider this level used by those nice trading firms or professional traders that made our life easier. Minus 27, minus 618, and you could possibly put your target there. Another way, guys, you could look at other swings. You don't want to use that, maybe you can use this swing. Is price gonna go there? We don't know really, but you could put a second order and extend your order up to there. Okay, so what I'll do now, let's get rid of the FIBO since we marked those levels, and let's go on the 1 hour chart so we get a little bit more swings, right? So I would expect to retrace there, right? And you might say now, oh, look at that. You told me to put my trade there, and then I should have just retraced there, and I missed the trade. That's okay, guys. If you miss, you miss. No problem. All right, you might always get another chance. Just leave the stop loss there. Okay, we are getting now filled on that side. The price is going up, going down, sorry, and then 50%. Would you move your stop loss? Break even, not yet because it's done that. Okay, now could possibly move at break even, and we see what type of price action we get there. we get this one. Probably if you wanted to lock one-to-one, guys, at this point is okay, because looks like the price is not really accelerating on the way down. By the way, if this was the first profit, could have been reached. Now definitely you can lock some profit. And what do we see here? Let's play the chart a bit more. Okay, you have seen that, right? So if those are break even, would have been taken out, and then would you get another chance to get a trade? I don't know, guys. You know, probably we could draw another box here, and we just have to think in terms of probabilities and see what's going on. I mean, would you take a trade here and go down? It's done this big shakeout. I can only now proceed a bit more and see what's going on. If I miss it, I miss it. Okay, guys. So has done another move here, and what I could possibly do, I could probably think first of all, let me adjust this little box in there so respect the level the same way I did here, actually. So you could wait, the price could go up there, but I just want to take my chance, and let's say that I want to put it there with the stop loss just above, exactly what I did before. As I said to you guys, for the target you could take the swing down. For now it's just the chance for us to take an entry. So I would like to see what's going on here, halfway, right? And then I would do that. Obviously this is gonna be different every time, so looks like I got filled. Once I get filled, guys, what would you do? All right, you see this here, just start to lock, because lock some profit because the price is going down. Then once you see that the price went down, I mean, would I say I've been lucky? I've just followed some nice price action rules that I've got, and that is what I wanted to show to you today. Thank you very much, guys. If you like the video, I will give you some more for you to view and become a better trader. Please click a like for me, give me a thumb up, whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Take care and goodbye for now.